Right, ma. Good morning, all of you. We are discussing ma simplifications, ma. Simplifications, ma. One of the major important topic for bank examinations, ma. In simplifications, ma. From simplifications in bank examinations, ma. Any bank examinations, ma. Generally, we will get ma 5 questions, ma. In any bank examinations, ma. We will get the 5 questions, ma. From simplifications, ma. Sometimes they are given based on the simplifications, ma. Sometimes they are giving the basis of approximations. Anyway, both are under the same topic only. So simplifications are either approximations. You will get the five in any bank examination. Right? SSC examination preparation for SSC examinations. In SSC examinations, we will get 1 or 2 questions. But major important for bank examinations. And as insurance examinations also, as like a bank pattern, there also we are getting the 5 questions from simplifications. Right, now. Now we are moving to one by one in simplifications. Simplifications in basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Basic operations plus, minus, into division. Now in simplifications, in simplifications generally in simplifications, generally right, my audio is clear. Please check it once. Right, is it clear? Audio is clear. Right, clear? Is it okay? Right, while doing the simplifications, always we should follow V Bodmas rule. So here, so right, clear. Now V Bodmas rule, here, V is nothing but vinculum. V is nothing but vinculum. Vinculum. In our language, we can call it as barma. V is nothing but vinculum. In our language, we can call it as barma. Okay, now next B bracket bracket. Next O is nothing but off. Off is nothing but into O is nothing but off, nothing but into Next D division. Next M multiplication. Next A addition. S subtraction. So while doing always simplification, always we should follow V Bodmas rule. V nothing but vinculum R bar. B bracket. O off is nothing but into. D division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And one thing we should remember, here off is nothing but into. Multiplication also into. Both while doing into only. But the preference will be there for off. It is word, but it is symbol. It is word. It is OF of word, but it is the symbol. So first of all, preference for word only, later division, later multiplication. Whatever the symbols are there in your question, always we should give the preference in this order only. We should not change the order of preference ma, always. So while doing this, if you change the order of preference, you will get something answer ma, but we should treat it that is the wrong answer ma. So always we should follow the V Bodmas rule ma, vinculum bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right ma. Now this bracket ma, generally bracket will indicate in this way ma. So in this bracket also, we are having the types ma. Generally we know that ma, in everyday we are mathematical part we will use that, but nowhere we'll concentrate on brackets. But in this particular topic ma, in simplifications we have to focus on brackets also. Now shall we see what are the types of brackets ma? Now types of bracket, generally bracket will write in this way ma. The name of this is called as open bracket, open bracket, open bracket ma. Now open bracket, or we can call as ma circular bracket also, open or we can call as circular bracket ma. Okay now next ma, this one flower bracket, or we can call as ma curly bracket ma, flower bracket, or we can call it as curly bracket, close bracket. So these are the types of in brackets ma, open bracket, flower bracket, and the close bracket, or sometimes we can call as ma square bracket also. Other name of this ma square, other name of this ma curly, other name of this ma circular ma, circular. Is it clear ma? These are the three types of brackets ma. If only one bracket is there in your question ma, no problem at all. If in case all the three brackets are there in your question ma, then how to give the preference means ma, in which order I wrote, we should give the preference in that order only. That means first preference for open, second preference for flower, third preference for close. It is only way of giving the preference ma. That means first open, second first open, second flower, third close. It is a way of giving the preferences ma. Whenever ma more than single bracket, it is our preference. First open, second flower, third close bracket, right ma. Now while doing the simplification ma, always we have to know ma this V Bodmas rule. Already said ma, V Bodmas rule preference in this order only. In case in our problem ma, in case minus, plus, division of, such kind of symbols are there ma. As per Bodmas rule, first preference for off, first preference ma off, second preference after the completion of off ma division, next preference ma addition, next preference ma subtraction. Whatever the symbols are there in your question ma, always preference it should be this order only ma. So we have to know V Bodmas rule as well as ma types of bracket. These two are basic and mandatory things ma, right ma. Now next ma, while doing the simplifications ma, we have to command on, especially whenever ma normal numbers, whenever normal numbers ma, we have to know basic four operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division ma. Whenever normal numbers ma, we have to focus on basic four operations ma, plus, minus, into, division. As well as whenever fractions ma, whenever fractions we have to focus on basic four operations ma, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. When numbers we have to know all the operations ma, when fractions we have to know all the operations, as well as ma when decimals, decimals, nothing but ma point numbers, ma point numbers. Whenever point numbers are there, ma, we have to know all basic four operations: plus, minus, into, division. So when normal numbers, we have to know that, ma, and when decimals, when as well as ma fractions, ma, these three as mandatory and primary things, ma. Other than that, ma, we have to know squares. Squares, ma, minimum minimum 1 to 30, ma, squares minimum 1 to 30. And next, ma, cubes minimum 15, ma, cubes, ma, minimum 15, squares minimum 30, cubes minimum 15, and square root, cube root, square root, we have to know how to find the cube root, we have to know, as well as, ma, how to take the percentage, how to take the how to calculate the percentage, ma, squares, cubes, square root, cube root, percentage, as well as, ma, tables. Tables, ma, tables minimum 1 to 20 is mandatory, ma, compulsory, ma, minimum 1 to 20 we have to know the tables, ma. And next, ma, formulae, ma, some basic formulae like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, ma, such kind of basic formulae, ma. These are all the primary and mandatory things, ma. If you know, if you come having the command on all these concepts, ma, then easily you can get the five questions, ma. Easily you can get the 5 marks is easily in your examinations, ma. So whenever normal numbers, we have to know all the basic operations. Whenever fractions, we have to know all the basic operations, ma. For decimals, we have to know all the basic operations. So squares minimum 1 to 30, cubes minimum 1 to 15, how to find the square root, how to find the cube root, how to take the percentage, tables, and basic formula, basic formula. Now shall we see, no, ma, one by one, ma, but the fundamental thing first of all we'll see that, then we should move on one by one examples, right, ma. Now first of all we are looking about, ma, fractions, ma. First of all, we are looking about, ma, fractions. So most of the people feeling difficulty about fractions, ma, they will. We have to know fundamental things. You know. Thus, first of all, we are discussing all fundamental things, ma. Okay, then we should move on depth by one, ma. Now, first of all, very fundamental thing, ma, fractions will be in the format of, ma, x by y. Fractions in the format of, ma, x by y. Here, x is called as, ma, x is called as, ma, numerator, and y is called as, ma, denominator. X, ma, is called as, ma, numerator, and y is called as, ma, denominator. This is fundamental. Here, ma, fractions will be in the form of three types, ma. Fractions, ma, three types. Fractions, ma, three types will be there, ma. Those are the three types, ma. What are the three types means? One is, ma, proper fraction, ma. Proper. And one more is, ma, sorry, ma, proper. And next is improper. And next is, ma, mixed, ma. mixed ma. Fractions ma three types ma. Proper, improper, and mixed ma. Proper, improper, and mixed. Shall we see now one by one ma? Basically, proper means numerator should be lesser than denominator ma. Here ma, numerator should be less than denominator. Whenever numerator is lesser than denominator ma, proper fraction. For example, 2 by 5. It is ma proper ma. Numerator should be lesser than denominator ma, proper fraction. Okay na? Right ma. Next ma, improper. Improper ma. Improper is nothing but ma, numerator should be greater than denominator ma. Whenever numerator is greater than denominator ma, improper fraction ma. For example, 5 by 4, such kind. Numerator should be greater than denominator ma, improper fraction. Next ma, mixed. Mixed is nothing but a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Combination of whole number and proper fraction. For example, 2, 3 by 5. It is ma mixed. What I said ma, combination of whole number ma. 2 is whole number. In last class I said ma, what is the meaning of whole numbers ma, which are start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, such kind ma. So 2 is the whole number, and 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is which fraction ma? Proper ma. So mixed fraction means ma, combination of whole number and proper fraction is called as the mixed fraction ma. 2, 3 by 5, 3, 4 by 7, such kind ma. These are ma three types of fractions, right ma? Is it clear ma? So three types. What are the three types ma? Proper, improper, and mixed. Proper means numerator should be less than denominator. Improper means numerator should be greater than denominator. Mixed means what I said ma, combination of whole number and proper fraction, right ma? Now other than this ma, one thing we have to know ma, in mixed fractions ma, in mixed fractions, 2, 3 by 5, we know that it is a mixed fraction, that is clear. 2, 3 by 5. In between 2 and 3 by 5 ma, in between 2 and 3 by 5, in between ma, always plus symbol ma, plus symbol will be. Mixed fraction is nothing but combination ma, plus symbol ma. Don't think that ma multiplication ma. So 2, 3 by 5, basic meaning of that ma, 2 plus 3 by 5, 2 plus 3 by 5 ma. 2, 3 by 5 in mixed fraction, in between of that always plus symbol ma. Okay now some of the people they will think that ma into ma, it's not into ma, it is addition, sum, plus ma. Okay now 2, 3 by 5 means ma 2 plus 3 by 5. That's the one thing we have to know, right ma? Next ma, now we saw fraction, types of fractions we saw. Now in fractions ma, we are having ma two types of conversions ma, fundamental conversions. One is mixed to improper, and one more is ma improper to mixed. We are having ma two types of conversions, mixed to improper and improper to mixed. For example ma, 2, 3 by 5 mixed. How to convert into improper ma? First of all, these two we should multiply ma. Next ma, we should add this ma. 5 2s are 10 plus 3. Nothing but what is the answer ma? 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Next ma, 3, 4 by 7. 3, 4 by 7 ma. Mixed ma. How to convert into mixed ma? First of all, multiply these. Next ma, add these. 7 3s are 21 plus 4. That means how much ma? What is the answer ma? 25 by 7. Right ma? These fundamental things only ma. We have to know that ma. Mixed to improper. Now we are moving to improper to mixed. Improper to mixed. Right ma? Now for example ma, 48 by some 9 I give ma. 48 by 9. right ma? How it is the improper ma? We have to convert in terms of mixed ma. First of all ma, cancel it ma. 9 ones, 9, how many times ma? Nearly 5 times ma. 9 fives are 45. How much balance ma? 3 balance, 3 balance. Okay now, first of all we should write ma this 5 ma. This 5 we should write this 5. Okay now, next how much balance ma? 3. That thing we should write ma 3 by this denominator as this. So what is the answer ma? 5 3 by 9. 5 3 by 9. Is it clear ma? We'll see one more. 57 by 11. 57 by 11 ma. So first of all ma, cancel it ma. Cancel it. 11 ones. 11 fives are 55. 11 fives 55 means how much balance ma? 2 balance. 2 balance. Okay na. First of all write down 5 ma. Write down 5. How much balance ma? 2. Write down 2. Next ma, denominator as it is. What is the denominator ma? 11. Is it clear ma? 5 2 by 11. That is ma improper to mixed ma. Two kinds of conversions ma. If any cancellation is there ma, we can do it ma. No problem. Here ma, we can cancel 3 ones, 3 threes. No problem. We can cancel. Is it clear ma? Right ma. Now we saw two conversions ma. Mixed to improper, improper to mixed. Right ma. Now next ma. Now we saw fraction, types of fractions, conversions. Now we are looking ma basic operations ma. Basic operations. Right ma. First of all, addition we are looking ma. Addition of fractions ma. While doing the addition of fractions ma, 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 ma. The first basic thing ma. Whenever ma denominators are equal, add the directly numerators ma. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. If denominators are equal ma, add the numerators. That means what is the answer of this ma? 2 plus 4 ma? 6 by 5. The first case. Is it clear ma? When denominators are equal, add the numerators. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 ma? 6 by 5. Now I will show one more ma. 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 6 by 7. If you want to add this ma, in all the cases ma, denominators are equal ma. So add the numerators. What will happen ma? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6 ma? 11. So what is the answer ma? 11 by 7. Right ma? Is it clear? Now we are moving to next model ma. Here we saw in both cases denominators are equal. Now 2 by 5 plus 11 by 15. Now observe ma. Here 5, here 15 ma. Both the denominators are not same. But if you observe carefully ma, in 5 table can you get 15 ma? How many times ma? 3 times. That means both are not the same. But 5 multiple is there here ma. 5 multiple ma. 5 table ma, 3 times is 15. That means by multiplying 3 becomes equal. By multiple. Exactly not equal, but by multiplying 3 ma becomes equal. When or such kind is there ma? First of all multiply 3 here ma. But only one where multiplication ma, only 1 plus multiplication ma becomes wrong thing. So that's why we have to multiply here also 3 ma. Now observe ma, 15, 15 both are same. Same like earlier ma. So add the numerators. 3 twos are 6 plus 11. 6 plus 11, how much ma? 17 by 15. Is it clear ma? 6 by 6 plus 11 ma? 17 by 15. First we saw denominators are same case. Now we are looking at denominators is not the same, but by multiplying ma becomes equal. Is it clear? I will show one more ma. 3 by 8 plus 9 by 40. Now observe ma, 8 to 40 both are not the same, but in 8 table 40 how many times ma? 5 times. That is by 5 multiplying 5 ma becomes equal. So when you got that point ma, so don't write here ma. First of all I shown here clearly ma, but we should not write ma. Yes, imagine in your mind ma, think in your mind. 8 table 5 times is 40. So directly multiplying 5 ma becomes equal. So multiply 5 here, multiply 5. 5 threes are 15. Don't write ma. Just in your mind only do the calculation ma. 5 threes are 15. Here also 40 ma. 5 threes are 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, how much ma? 24 by 40. 24 by 40. Is it clear ma? Okay na? First of all, we saw denominator same case. Now not the same, but by multiplying becomes equal ma. We'll see one more ma. For example, 3 by 7 plus 5 by 14 plus 11 by 70. Now I gave my three fractions. All the denominators are different. 7, 14 and 70. Now whenever such kind is, observe carefully. In all the denominators, what is the highest denominator? 70. Highest denominator is 70. Once seeing that, in 7 table, can we get 70? How many times? 10 times. 10 times. That means by multiplying 10 becomes equal. So multiply 10 here, multiply 10 here. So multiply 10. 10. Anyway, here also we are multiplying. Just imagine in your mind, we are multiplying 10. Okay, now 14, in 14 table 70, how many times? 5 times. So multiply 5. By multiplying 5 becomes equal. Multiply 5. Now all became 70, 70, 70. Now add the numerators. Numerators. Now go to the numerators. 10 3 is 30 plus 5 5 is 25. 30 plus 25 55. 55 plus 11 66. So what is the answer 66 by 70. 66 by 70. Is it clear Denominators are not the same, but whenever multiple is denominator is there then we should move in this process I will show one more 4 by 9. 4 by 9 plus 7 by 45 plus some 11 by 90. Anything. Okay. But the highest denominator 90 90. In 9 table 90, how many times 10 times. By multiplying 10 becomes equal So into 10. In 45 table 90, how many times 2 times. So into 2. Now all became 90, 90, 90. So add the numerators. What will happen for 10 fours 40 plus 14, 54. 54 plus 11 65. So what is the answer 65 by 90. 65 by 90. Is it clear Okay when denominators are same, when denominators are different, but by multiplication is there then we can make it equal Now next for example like this 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Here observe 5 and 4 both are different. In 5 table we can't get the 4 also not both are not different and it's not as a multiple also whenever such kind we know in our childhood maths in all we all learn in school maths in school maths how can we approach by taking the LCM for denominators that means LCM of 5 and 4. What is the LCM of 5 and 4 20. First of all we will take the 20. Next in 5 table 20 how many times 4 times. That 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 how much 8 plus 4 table 20 how many times 5 times. That 5 into 3. 5 into 3 how much 15. So 8 plus 15 23 by 21. It is our school maths in school maths we learnt in this way only. First of all by taking LCM we can proceed it is one kind of approach. And one more approach if you are having the command and percentages we can think in percentage also. It is not always convenient based on fractions. If you know we can convenient now 2 by 5. Okay now we are looking percentage concept percentage. Okay actually what is 1 by 5 1 by 5 nothing but 20%. 1 by 5 20 but 2 by 5 2 times of that 2 into 20 40%. Okay plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 we don't know 3 by 4 what is the 1 by 4 25. 1 by 4 25 3 by 4 means 3 times of that ma. 3 times of 25 means ma 75. 75. Right ma? 40% plus 75 percentage ma. By adding that, how much percentage ma? 115%. 115% nothing but 115 by 100. By cancelling ma 520, 5 twos, 5 threes. So same answer ma 23 by 20. Okay na? We can think in percentage also ma. Normal school maths as well as ma percentage. Now we are looking ma one more is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, right? How to take the cross multiplication means, for example, one fraction is a by b plus c by d. Two fractions, a by b plus c by d. So while doing the cross multiplication, just cross multiply cross ad ad plus bc by multiply these two ma bd. It is ma cross multiplication ma. Okay na? So it is a cross when two fractions ma cross multiply ma AD plus BC by BD ma. Now we'll apply for the same question ma 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 ma. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 ma. Now 4 twos are 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 ma. 8 plus 15 how much ma? 23 by 20. Is it clear ma? 23 by 20 ma. That means while doing the addition of fraction ma, our school maths by taking LCM, or if you know the percentage ma, we can go through percentage, or otherwise ma cross multiplication ma. 4 twos are 8 plus 15 how much ma? 23 by 20. Is it clear ma? Right ma. Now for example ma 5 by 7 plus 2 by 9. I want to add both this one. Now I am using my cross multiplication. As per the cross one, 9 5s 45 plus 14. 45 plus 14, how much ma? 59 by 7 nines ma 60. Is it clear ma? Okay. Now, in case such kind is ma 7 plus 2 by 5. Here nothing there ma. Nothing there means by one. By one. Same I am applying my cross. 5 sevens are 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2 how much ma? 37 by 5. 37 by 5. Is it clear ma? Okay na? Now I am showing ma for three fractions. In case three fractions are there ma. For example 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. If you want to add the three fractions, you can follow any procedure. Your wish, you can follow LCM or percentage or cross. I am showing my cross. At a time, three we can't cross. So first of all, take any two. Your wish, take any two. I am taking these two. These two. You can take any two. Your wish. Take these two. By taking these two, cross, apply the cross. 3 ones are 3. First of all, take these two. Okay now? 3 ones are 3 plus 4. How much ma? 7 by 6. For this, add the next. What is the next one ma? 4 by 5. Again, apply the cross ma. 5 sevens are 35 plus 24. 35 plus 24. How much ma? 59 by 6 5 ma 30. Is it clear ma? When three fractions ma, take any two ma, and for that add the next one. Is it clear ma? Now I shown ma when two fractions as well as ma three fractions. First I shown ma when denominators are same. Next we show ma denominators as multiple ma. Now quite different denominators ma. Right ma? Now we are moving to mixed. How to add the mixed fractions ma? Some people will face the problems about mixed fractions ma. So listen how to add ma. For example, 2 3 by 5 plus 4 2 by 9. If you want to add the mixed fractions while doing the mixed fractions additions so in normally in school level we'll conversion this, we'll convert this here no need of conversion. First of all, add the normal number add the normal numbers. That means 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 how much 6. First of all, write down 6. Is it finished now? plus now add the fractions ma, add the fractions. Just now I shown ma how to add the fractions ma, cross percentage. What is your wish ma? Now I'm showing ma cross. Okay now observe these two ma. 9 threes are 27 plus 5 twos how much ma? 10. 27 plus 10 ma. 27 plus 10 how much ma? 37 by 5 nines are 45. Now, already I told ma in mixed fraction definition is ma combination of whole number and proper. So 37 by 45 it is clearly proper. If it is proper is proper ma, no problem at all. Finally, your answer is 637 by 45. It is finished. Okay, ma? When mixed fractions, ma, first add normal, then we should move to fractions. Ma. I will show one more example. Ma. One more example. 7 3 by 4 plus 8 4 by 5. I want to add this. Ma. First, what I said, ma, add the normal number. Ma. 7 plus 8, ma. 7 plus 8, how much, ma? 15. That is finished now. Now add the fractions. Fraction how ma? By cross. Okay now. 5 threes are 15 plus 4 fours are 16. 15 plus 16. How much ma? 31 by 4 fives ma 20. Now once observe ma, it's not proper ma. It is improper. It should not be improper ma. Always we have to get the proper only. If it is improper ma, if it is improper, then we need of conversion ma. It is improper. So that's why we need conversion ma. First of all, convert it to mixed ma. Mixed. Okay now. Now 15 plus 21's 20. How much balance ma? 11. So how can you write ma mixed ma? 1, 11 by 20. Okay now. Now 15 plus 1. How much ma? 16. 11 by 20. Is it clear ma? So while adding the mixed fraction ma, first of all add the normal ma, next move to the fractions. If while adding the normal numbers after that ma, if the fraction is proper, no problem at all. If it is improper ma, convert into proper. Is it clear ma? Now I shown ma normal fractions, mixed fractions. Now I shown ma addition of fraction. How to add the fractions I shown. Now we are moving to next ma. Okay. Now we are looking ma subtraction. Subtractions ma. In fractions ma, subtractions ma. If you're having the command and addition ma, the practice is very easily. Okay, we'll see. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Denominators are same. When denominators are same ma, directly go to the numerators. What will happen ma? 3 minus 2, nothing but ma. So what is the answer ma? 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 11 by 15 minus some 13 by 30. I gave in this way ma. Denominators are not the same, but in 15 table we can get the 30 ma. How many times ma? 2 times. By multiplying 2 ma becomes equal. So multiply 2. So what will happen ma? 2 11s are 22 minus 13. 22 minus 13 how much ma? 9 ma. 9 by 30. If cancel we can do it. 3 3s, 3 10s. So what is the answer ma? 3 by 10. Is it clear? Right ma? In case quite different is there ma? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 9. 5 and 9 both are not equal. But in 5 table we can't get the 9 also ma. So quite different ma. What I said ma? LCM method, percentage method, cross. Your wish ma. I am taking ma cross. You can take any one ma. If you are having the command and percentage, you can go through percentage ma. But percentage ma little bit becomes difficulty ma. So now I am going ma through cross ma. Cross. 9 threes are 27 minus 5 twos are 10. 27 minus 10. How much ma? 17 by 17 by 5 nines ma 45. 17 by 45 ma. 17 by 45. Is it clear ma? Now I'm showing ma mixed. Okay now. 11 2 by minus 8 1 by 3. 11 2 by 5 minus 8 1. While doing the subtraction of mixed fractions, first of all, same like addition, first of all, take the normal. Take the normal. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8, how much? 3. Chalo, write down 3. Okay, na? Next, come to the fractions. Fractions. 3 twos are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, how much? 1. 1. So, plus 1 by 5 threes, 15. Is it proper or improper, Proper. Proper means no problem at all. So, what is the answer, 3 1 by 15. Okay, na? 3 1 by 15. If it is proper, no problem at all. Sometimes rarely based on the numbers, instead of addition you will get the negative negative you will get such kind how to approach. Okay, now shall we see now? For example, 43 sum 2 by 3 minus 17 4 by 5. I gave in this way, I gave in this way. 43 2 by 3 minus 17 4 by 5. Shall we see now how to? First of all, normal numbers 43 minus 17. How much 43 minus 17 26. Chalo, write down 26. Okay, na? Now come to the fractions subtraction. 5 twos are 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12, nothing but how much minus 2. Minus 2 by 15. We are getting negative negative. When positive we are observing whether it is the proper or improper. If in case negative we got whenever negative you got then also so many methods. But then also negative means once again we have to cross multiply 15 into 26 we can do in that method, but it will take lot of time. Instead of that I will show 26 can I write like this? 25 plus 1 we can write or not? Okay, na? 26 I'm writing 25 plus 1 minus 2 by 15. 25 as it is plus subtract these two cross 15 ones are 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 nothing but how much 13. 13 by 15. See, in the place of minus we got plus. Is it proper only? So what is the answer 25 13 by 15. 25 13 by 15 Your idea purpose I shown clearly we will get in this way but no need to do this much of lengthy now still we can make it short shall we see how to short? Don't write this don't write this. Whatever whenever you are getting negative not always when negative. Okay, now whatever you are getting this first of all make it one reduce make one reduce from that 26 first of all chalo write down 25 right first of all one reduce it 25. Now this denominator indicates total denominator indicates total 15 parts are there. In that we are subtracting how many parts 2 parts. From 15 parts we are subtracting 2 parts. So how many parts are balanced 13 so 25 13 by 15. See, same answer 25 13 by 15. Is it clear? Whenever negative is there we can take in that way I will show one more example also your idea purpose in case finally you got in this way 47 minus 4 by 11 you got in this way finally. For example, let us assume so first of all what I said make one reduce 47 by reducing one what will happen is 46. Okay, na? 46 out of 11 parts 4 parts are subtracted. How many parts are balanced 7. So what is the answer 46 7 by 11 is the answer. I will show one more 23 minus 2 by 9. Tell me, first of all, one reduce 22. Out of 9, 2 subtract. How many parts? 7. 22, 7 by 9. Is it clear? It is subtraction of fraction. Right? Now I said addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. Now we are moving into multiplication. in intos ma, there is no logics in into ma. Only the thing, if the cancellation is there ma, do it. Otherwise not. For example ma, 2 by 5 into 4 by 11 into 3 by 8. Such kind I give ma. Observe, any cancellation is there ma? 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 gets cancelled. What is the balance ma? 3 by 5 11s ma, 55. 3 by 55. In into ma, just only the thing cancellation ma. If the cancellation is there ma, do it ma. Based on that, you can decide the answer. In case, in multiplications, if you got the mixed fractions ma, mixed fractions ma. 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 2. In case you got the mixed fractions, first of all, convert them, convert them. By conversion of this, what will happen? 3 2s are 6 plus 1. So, how much? 7 by 3 into 2 3s are 6 plus 1. How much? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Okay, now became normal fractions ma. Is there any cancellation ma? Nothing cancellation no. So just multiplication. 7 sevens. How much ma? 49 by 3 twos ma 6. 49 by 6. Is it clear ma? Now I shown ma in multiplication ma when normal fractions as well as ma mixed fraction. Right ma. Next ma, division. Divisions ma. While doing the division of fractions ma, for example, 2 by 5 divide by 4 by 9. While doing the division of fractions ma, always write down first fraction as it is ma. 2 by 5 division make the next fraction ma, reverse order. 4 by 9 will becomes as ma 9 by 4. Okay na? First of all, write down first fraction as it is ma, division make the next fraction ma, reverse order. What will happen ma? 2 ones, 2 twos. Still ma, no more na? 9 by 5 twos ma. 10. Okay, now we'll see one more. 3 divided by 11 by 4. Here nothing there ma. Nothing there means by 1 ma. Nothing there is by 1. What will happen ma? 3 division make the next fraction ma, reverse. 4 by 11 ma. Any cancellation ma? Nothing cancellation na. So what will happen ma? 3 fours. 12 by 11. We'll see one more. 5 by 8 divide by 15. Such kind of thing. 5 by 8 divide by 15. Now here I wrote both side fractions. Here I wrote my first normal, next fraction. Now here I wrote my first fraction, next normal. Here 15 by nothing ma. Nothing is ma by 1 by 1. Shall you see what will happen? 5 by 8 division make into next fraction ma, reverse order ma. By making reverse ma, what will happen ma? 1 by 15. 5 ones, 5 threes. So what is the answer ma? 1 by 24. 1 by 24. Is it clear ma? Now I shown ma 3 ma. Now some people they will get the confusion ma. We'll clear that. In case A by B divide by C by D, such kind is there ma. First of all, you have to observe where is the major division ma. Where is the major division? Okay, now don't get the confusion ma. So top one as is A by B into this downside fraction will becomes for reverse order. That means what we can write ma? D by C. We'll see one more. A by B by C. Such kind is there. Observe ma, where is the major division? It is major division. Okay na? Now how can we write ma? A into this one ma, reverse order. That means what will happen ma? C by B. C by B. Okay na? We'll see one more. A by B by C. It is major division. It is. Okay na? How can we write ma? A by B into reverse. That means ma, 1 by C. 1 by C. A by B into 1 by C. Ma. These are the things we have to know that. Ma. You have to observe where is the major division. Ma. Below the major division, ma, whatever there, that will become reverse order. Okay, na? Reverse order. Right, ma. Next, ma. If in case ma double division, ma. 1 by 2 divide by 3 by 4 divide by 5 by 6. If in case but double division, earlier I shown only one division symbol, now two division symbols are there. When two division symbols, then how to approach? Okay, na? For example, 1 by 2 write down as is, division make into 1 by 2 asterisk division make the next fraction reverse order. Okay, na? 4 by 3 division make the next fraction reverse order 6 by 5. Okay, na? First one asterisk division make the fraction reverse, division make the fraction reverse. Now observe any cancellation what will cancel 3 ones 3 twos, 2 gets cancelled. What is the answer 4 by 5. Okay, na? I shown when one division symbol now I shown when two division symbols are there. I shown normal fractions. Now we are moving to mixed in divisions mixed fraction is there. How to approach? Now 3 1 by 2 divide by 2 1 by 3. In divisions if mixed fractions are there, then how to approach? Conversion compulsory. In multiplication also conversion required in division also conversion required. First of all convert them 2 3s are 6 plus 1 how much 7 by 2 divide by 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Now what will happen 7 by 2 into division make it as into reverse 3 by 7. 7 7 cancel. What is the answer 3 by 2. Is it not? Now I shown four operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division for normal fractions as well as for mixed fractions. Okay now first of all try this try these examples now I will give few minutes time first of all try this try this Right, ma? Now shall you see no ma? One by one ma. First one ma. 3 by 5 plus 5 by 6 ma. Addition of fractions ma. Addition of fractions ma. Cross by cross multiplying ma. By cross multiplying ma. 6 threes are 18 plus 25 ma. 18 plus 25 how much ma? 43. So first one ma 43 by 6 5 ma 30. 43 by 30 ma. Right ma, clear ma. So many people are giving ma 43 by 30. Is it clear ma? Right ma? Now next ma, we are moving to next one ma. While three fractions ma, take any two ma, take any two ma. By adding first two ma, by adding first two, what will happen ma? 4 ones are 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 how much ma? 10 by 8 ma. 10 by 8. You can do in such a way. Otherwise, what I said ma, when denominators are same, 2 and 4 ma not the same, but in 2 table we can get the 4. How many times ma? 2 times. By multiplying 2 ma becomes equal ma. So 2 ones are 2 plus 3 how much ma? 5 by 4 plus 2 by 9. 5 by 4 plus 2 by 9 ma. By cross multiplying ma, what will happen ma? 9 5s are 45 plus 8. 45 plus 8 how much ma? 53 by 36. Is it clear ma? 53 by 36. Right ma? Now next ma, we are moving to next one ma. Mixed fractions. In mixed fractions, what I said ma? Right ma. Sorry ma, some network issue is there. Okay now, we'll continue ma. Right now 7 plus 3 while doing the mixed fractions ma, while doing the mixed fractions ma, first of all add the normal numbers ma. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 ma 12. Chalo write down 12 ma. Okay na? Next ma, add the fractions. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, what will happen ma? 4 plus 2 how much ma? 4 plus 2 ma 6 by 8. 6 by 8 nothing but ma 3 by 4. 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So 12 addition of fraction ma 15 plus 4 how much ma? 19 by 20. Proper, so no problem at all. So what is the answer ma? 12 19 by 20. Okay na? First add the normal numbers, then we should move to the fractions ma. Is it clear? Now we are looking ma this one ma. First add the normal numbers ma. 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14 how much ma? 30. I'm writing here ma. 30 plus fractions ma. 5 twos are 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 how much ma? 22 by 15. 22 by 15. Okay na? What I said ma, in mixed fractions, always beside we have to get the proper only. If it is improper ma, conversion required. Improper, so convert ma. 15 ones are 15. How much balance ma? 7. So 30 plus 1 7 by 15. That means what is the answer ma? 30 plus 1 ma? 31 7 by 15. 31 7 by 15. Is it clear ma? Okay na? Now next ma, subtraction ma. Subtraction ma, cross 7 threes are 21 minus 16. 21 minus 16 how much ma? 5 by 24. 5 by 24. 5 by 24. Okay na? Now next ma, first of all take these two ma, take these two. 5 6 are 30 plus 28 ma. 30 plus 28 how much ma? 58. This one ma we are looking. This one 30 plus 28 ma 58 by 35 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Okay na? Now what will happen ma? Again subtraction ma. 58 twos. Cross ma. Cross. 58 twos. How much ma? 116 minus 35. 116 minus 35, how much ma? 65, 75, 80. 1 by 35 2 ma 70. Okay na? Is it ma? Now we are moving to this one ma. In multiplication ma, what I said in multiplication ma, only the thing, observe whether the cancellation is there or not. If the cancellation is, then we do that ma. Now what we can cancel ma here? 3 ones, 3 threes, 2 ones, 2 twos. So what is the answer of that ma? 1 by 8 threes are 24 twos are 48. Is it clear ma? Next, mixed fractions ma. Mixed fractions ma, conversion compulsory required. What will happen ma? 4 5 are 20 plus 1 ma. 21 by 4 into 3 to the 6 plus 2. How much ma? 8 by 3. 4 twos, 3 sevens. So what is the answer ma? 14. Answer is 14. 14. Right ma? Next ma, division ma. What will happen if it is 5 by 4 division, make it as into, make the next fraction ma reverse, 9 by 8. Is there any cancellation ma? Nothing. So what is the answer ma? 45 by 32. 45 by 32. Okay ma? Right ma? Now we are looking at this kind of model ma. First one I will show ma. Second one you have to try that ma. Now first one ma. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. This kind of model ma, we should simplify from bottom to top ma. We should simplify from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Okay na? First of all, start here ma. Start. Addition of mixed fraction. How can we approach ma? 2 ones are 2 plus 1. Nothing there is by 1 ma. Okay na? 2 ones are 2 plus 1. How much ma? 3 by 2. Actually by writing ma. One second ma. One plus one by one plus one by one plus one by two. Okay na? Simplify from bottom top ma. First of all this one ma. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. How much ma? 3 by 2. By writing 3 by 2 ma. 3 by 2. By taking upside 3 by 2 will become as ma reverse. Reverse ma. That means 2 by 3. It is finished. It is finished ma. It is finished ma. Okay na? Now 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much ma? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 becomes ma reverse order ma. 3 by 5. 5 plus 3 how much ma? 8 by 5. So answer is ma 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Okay na? 8 by 5 ma. Clear? Now once try this ma. Once ma try that ma. Try this one ma. Try this one. Bottom to top ma. Bottom to top. Try this ma. Prasad, you are asking third one. Which third one? Can you write that one? Third one. Earlier third one or present third one ma? Earlier ma? Okay, okay. Now, Prasad was asking ma earlier third one ma. I will show clearly ma once again here ma. First of all, add the normal numbers ma. 7. Sorry ma. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2 ma 12. 7. First add the normal numbers ma. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2 ma 12. Chalo, that is finished. Now add the fractions ma. These two add ma. While adding these two ma, your wish ma. You can take percentage, cross anyway. If you, I'm doing my cross. Let us do my cross. What will happen ma? 4 ones are 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 how much ma? 6 by 8. 6 by 8 plus what is the balance one ma? 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Okay na? If you want to cancel ma here, no, you can cancel ma, your wish. Otherwise you can proceed in that way also. Your wish ma. Okay na? 12. 5 6 are 30. We can cancel ma here. 2 3 2 4. We can cancel na. It is only for us ma, we can save the time. 5 3 is 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 how much ma? 19. By 4 5 ma 20. It is proper. So no need of conversion ma. So what is the answer ma? 12 19 by 20. Is it clear ma? First of all add the normal numbers. Next move to the fractions. If you are getting proper ma, no problem at all ma. If it is improper, conversion required. Proper, so no problem. So what is the answer ma? 12 19 by 20. Right ma? Prasad, is it clear ma? Now. Okay, clear. Right ma? Now we are looking ma second one ma. Second one. Okay now. 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now I said ma this kind of problem ma, this kind of problem. 64 by 19, Swapna I think. Shall you see no ma whether it is right or wrong? Okay now. This kind of problem simplify from bottom to top. First of all this part, this part. How can you simplify ma? 3 3 is 9 minus 1. How much ma? 8 by 3. By rating here ma 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So by taking upside ma reverse. Reverse. That means 3 by 8. 3 by 8 ma. 3 by 8. It is finished again same 8 8 2s are 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 how much ma? 19 by 8. 19 by 8 by taking upside ma reverse 8 by 19. 19 fours. 19 fours how much ma? 76 minus 8 ma. 76 minus 8 how much ma? 68 by 19 ma. Right ma? 68 by 19 ma. Check it once ma. 19 fours 76 minus 8 ma. 68 by 19 ma. 68 by 19. Okay now. Check it once ma. 68 by 19. Now now we are moving to third one ma. This one I will say, next one you have to try that ma. Now here ma, subtraction of fraction ma. Subtraction of fraction. What will happen ma? Subtraction of fraction ma, cross. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means ma 1 by 2 into next one ma. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 ma. 3 minus 1 means ma 2 by 3. Next one ma. 4 minus 1 ma 3 by 4. So on. So on. What is the last one ma? N minus 1 by n. N minus 1 by n ma. In multiplications ma, what I said ma, if any cancellation ma, we can do it. Observe the cancellation ma. 2 2 gets cancelled. 3 3 gets cancelled. That means cancellation was going ma in this way. In this way. While continue that process ma, if you continue the process, n minus 1 also gets cancelled. What is the balance ma? 1 by n. Answer is ma 1 by n. 1 by n. Okay na? Just ma, first of all subtract that ma, just observe the cancellation. Now try this ma. Try this ma. 2 minus 1 by 3 into 2 minus 3 by 5 into 2 minus 5 by 7, so on up to 2 minus 999 by 1001. Try that one. Right, ma? Shall you see now? 2 minus 1 by 3. Same ma, subtraction of fraction ma. 3 twos are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 means how much ma? 5. 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into next ma. 5 twos are 10 minus 3 ma. 10 minus 3 how much ma? 7 by 5 into next ma. 7 twos are 14 minus 5 ma. 9 by 7 into so on 1001 into 2 ma 1001 into 2 how much ma 2002 minus triple nine ma 2002 minus triple nine how much ma 1003 by 1001 2002 minus triple nine ma now observe ma how the cancellation is going on ma 5 7 7 by doing in such a way ma by doing in such a way observe in this way all gets cancelled 1001 also gets cancelled so what is the answer ma 1003 by 3 it is the answer ma some people are saying triple three one ma that is not suitable ma okay now observe carefully ma okay now answer is 1003 by 3 ma 100 based on the cancellation you have to decide ma 5 5 7 7 9 by doing in such way ma 1001 also gets cancelled answer is ma 1003 by 3 ma 1003 by 3 okay na right ma now once try this ma once try this ma 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 6 right ma shall you see now now, actually, as per school maths, ma, it is 1 into 2, 2. It is ma 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 4, 12. 2, 6, 12. By doing in this way, ma, take lot of time, ma, take lot of time. Here, shortcut approach, ma, take anyone, ma. For example, I will show anyone, ma. 1 by 3 into 4. 1 by 3 into 4 whenever ma whenever numbers are continuous ma in such case we can break this one as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 whenever numbers are continuous ma we can break in this one right ma Swapna is saying right ma 5 by 6 ma right ma so whenever numbers are continuous we can break in this way not always ma when numbers are continuous because by doing back ma you will get the same thing ma 4 minus 3 how much ma 1 by 3 and 4 you will get the same based on that thing ma based on that thing ma based on this thing ma this first one we can break it as ma first one we can break it as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 next one they can break it as ma 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 next one we can break it as ma 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 next one we can break it as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 next one ma 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 observe carefully ma what will gets cancelled ma observe negative 1 by 2 positive 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Negative 1 by 3, positive 1 by 3. Negative 1 by 4, positive 1 by 4. Negative 1 by 5, positive 1. Now what are balance ma? First one. What is the first one ma? 1 by 1 minus last one. What is the last one ma? 1 by 6. Only first and last are balance ma. Subtraction of fraction. Subtraction of fraction ma. Cross. By doing cross ma. 6 ones are 6 minus 1. How much ma? 5 by 6. Right ma. Swapna is saying ma 5 by 6 ma. Right answer ma. 5 by 6 ma. 5 by 6 ma. Is it clear ma? 6 minus 1 ma. 5 by 6 ma. 5 by 6 ma. Right ma. It is my shortcut approach ma. Shortcut approach ma. Here ma, your idea purpose I shown this step is clearly ma. I shown this step is clearly ma, because well, beginning that's why I shown clearly ma. Actually you don't write this step also. Okay na. Observe carefully ma. All the common numbers will get cancelled ma. See, 2 cancel, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 cancel. Just what is the balance ma? Beginning one, first one minus last one is balance ma. Remaining all will get cancelled ma. In case ma here, plus 1 by 6 into 7 is there ma. In case if it is there ma, continuous ma. Don't write all, direct shortcut is ma. Common terms all will get cancelled. Just balance is ma. First as well as last. But the first one ma, 1 by 1 minus last one ma, 1 by 7. So 7 minus 1, what is the answer ma? 6 by 7. It's a shortcut ma. It is a shortcut. Is it clear ma? Okay na? So whenever ma numbers are continuous, common numbers always gets cancelled ma. Balance ma first and last. So what is the answer ma? 1 by 1 minus 1 by 7 ma, 6 by 7. Is it clear ma? Now it is also same logic ma. If you observe ma, it is also same logic, but it is not looking directly ma. It is an indirect example ma. Indirect. Observe carefully ma. 20 is nothing but 4 into 5. Sorry. 20 is nothing but ma 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, 8 into 9, 4 5s, 5 6 6 7s. All common will get cancelled. What is the balance ma? First minus loss. What is the first one ma? 1 by 4 minus 8 nines. So what is the last one ma? 1 by 9. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. By doing the subtraction of fraction ma, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. How much ma? 5 by 4 nines ma 36. Is it clear ma? Okay na? It is directly looking ma. It is indirect way ma. Indirect way. 4 5 5 6 6 such ma. First one 1 by 4. Last one 1 by 9 ma. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9 ma. Answer is ma 5 by 36. Is it clear ma? Okay na? Now next one. This one. This one. Now observe here ma. Now 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7. Earlier ma, continue 1, 2, 2, 3, continuous numbers are there. Now here ma, 1 by 1 into 3. In between what the gap is there ma? 2. Earlier problem are continuous, nothing but gap is 1. Now the gap is 2. Whenever gap is 2 is there ma, 2 is there, then the shortcut is ma, when gap is 2 is there ma, just the thing only in front of you should write 1 by 2. It is additional, remaining everything is same ma. It is additional, remaining everything. So write down first of all 1 by 2 into first one minus last one, same thing, first one minus last one. What is the first one ma? 1 by 1 minus last one, how much ma? 1 by 9. 1 by 9. What will happen ma? 1 by 2 into 9 minus 1 ma. 9 minus 1 nothing but ma 8 by 9. 2 4s. So what is the answer ma? 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Is it clear ma? When gap is 2 ma, in front of write down 1 by 2. If in case gap is 3, in front of we should write ma 1 by 3. Now tell me the answer for this one ma. Tell me the answer for this. 5 by 16, 5 by 16. Right, ma. Shall we see now? So what is the gap, ma? 1, 4, 4, 7. Gap is nothing but ma 3. So first of all, write down ma 1 by 3 into first one ma 1 by 1 minus last. What is the last one ma? 1 by 16. So 1 by 3 into 16 minus 1 ma 15 by 16. 3 fives. Right ma 5 by 16. Right ma 5 by 16. Okay ma. Right ma. Now next ma. Once try this ma. Try this. Addition of fraction ma. Try this once. Triple nine 1 by 7 plus triple nine 2 by 7 plus triple nine 3 by 7 plus triple nine 4 by 7 plus triple nine 5 by 7 plus triple nine 6 by 7. Once try that ma. Two nine nine seven. One answer given ma 2997. One more answer 2997. Again 2997. Right ma. Most of the people are thinking ma 2997, but 2997 is not the correct answer. We feel, but it's not, because most of the people are taking ma triple nine as a common. Should not take the triple nine common ma. By taking triple nine common, you will get such kind of answers ma. We should not take triple nine common. Earlier I said ma, in beginning time, in mixed fractions, while adding the mixed fractions, add the normal numbers. Add the normal numbers. So first of all, we should add the triple nines ma. Triple nines. First of all ma, we should add the triple nine. Triple nine plus 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 triple nine. So triple nine is nothing but ma one lesser than thousand. One lesser than thousand ma. It is thousand, 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 thousand. How many thousands ma? Six times there ma. So 6,000. Everywhere one less. So triple nine plus triple nine ma. By adding those numbers ma, 5994. First of all, add the triple nines. Triple nine means one lesser than thousand. Six means 6,000. Everywhere one less ma. So six less. 6,000 minus six, 5994. That is finished. Now add the fractions. All the denominators are same. When all the denominators are same, directly go to the numerators. What will happen? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 by 7. 7 threes. 5994 plus 3. Answer is 5997. It is the answer. Not 2997 ma, 5997 is the answer. Already said ma, mixed fractions. First add the normal numbers, then go to the fractions. Is it clear ma? Now once try this ma. Try this. Triple nine 995 by 999 into 999. Once try that ma. 999, 995 by 999 into 999. Any answers, ma? Okay, na? Shall we see now, ma? Okay, na? Shall we see now? Now, this front part, ma, front one, this one, ma. Triple nine, 995 by 99, ma. How to write? Shall we see now? One kind of approach is, ma, the mixed fraction. Convert this and we can multiply triple nine. That is the one kind of mix your fraction, ma, convert that and proceed. That is one method. But to convert ma triple nine into triple nine ma take something time. So instead of this ma, if you observe ma, only nine ma, only nine ma, can we write 10 minus 1 ma? Okay na? When are only nine ma, we can write as ma 10 minus 1. If nine and a half is there ma, nine and a half. How can write this one ma? 10 minus half. 9 and half we can write as ma 10 minus half. In the same way ma 9 1 by 5 ma 9 1 by 5 how can I write ma 10 minus out of 5 parts one part is here. That means how many parts are not there ma 4. 10 minus 4 by 5. 10 minus 4 by 5. Okay na? Now based on this logic mom, based on this logic mom, this front part 9 is nothing but near to 10 mom. If triple nine is nothing but near to 1000 mom, near to 1000. How can we write ma 1000 minus out of triple nine 995 here there. That means how many are not there ma 4. That means 1000 minus 4 by triple nine into triple nine. Okay ma? Now by multiplying ma triple nine into 1000 ma triple 9000 minus by multiplying these two ma triple nine gets cancelled. What the balance ma 4. Now subtraction ma 0 minus 4 we can't from here ma borrow. So 10 minus 4 how much ma 6. 10 minus 4 ma 6. 9 will balance. 9 will balance 8 9 9. So what is the answer ma double nine eight double nine six ma double nine eight double nine six. Is it clear ma? Okay na? Triple nine 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 five by nine nine ma we can't write ma. So that one we are writing as ma we are writing as ma 1000 minus 4 by triple nine. Okay na? Now next ma up to now we saw about ma fractions ma. Now we are looking about ma decimals nothing but ma point numbers ma. So whenever point numbers ma some people will get the confusion ma how to about ma point numbers ma. In point numbers ma we are having ma two conversions ma. One is fraction to decimal. For example ma 2 by 1000 is there 2 by 1000 ma. So while doing the fraction decimal ma here how many zeros are there ma 3 zeros. Whenever 3 zeros ma after point you will get ma 3 digits. After point you will get the 3 digits ma. That means after point 1 2 3 digits because 3 zeros ma. Okay na? First of all write down that 2 ma at the end place. We should fill from back balance ma 0 0 0. Okay na? 3 zeros ma right way. That's why write down 3 digits ma. Now Once ma convert this ma. Once convert this. Right ma 0.0017 right ma 0.0017 ma 4 zeros. So after point you will get ma 4 digits. 71000. Right ma 0.83 ma 2 zeros ma. So after point 2 digits ma 38 ma 0.83. Right ma next ma 10 ma 945 by 10 ma it's not 90. So here ma only 10 ma only 10. After point you will get only 1 digit ma 5. Balance should be this side 4 and 9. Okay ma? In denominator ma how many zeros are there? After point you will get that many digits ma. Right ma it is ma fraction to decimal ma. Now we are looking ma reverse ma. decimal to fraction decimal. For example 0.003 is there ma. Here ma, after point how many digits ma 3 digits. If you remove the point ma if you remove the point for this whenever zeros are here there ma there is no value for zeros, so 3 by after point 3 numbers ma, so denominator ma 1000 3 numbers, so you will get ma 3 zeros. Okay na? We'll see one more ma. 42.89 ma. If you remove the point 4289 divide by after point 2 numbers ma, so you will get ma 2 zeros ma, nothing but ma 100. Okay na? Earlier I shown ma fraction to decimal. Now I am showing ma decimal to fraction. These things ma fundamental things ma we have to know that ma. Okay. Now we are looking at basic operations ma. So while doing ma fundamental things ma in addition of fractions, sorry, addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals ma, most of the people will do generally only ma. So for example 42.89 plus 0.0083 plus 0.7 ma. If you wanted to add the decimal numbers ma, so your wish ma, your comfortable way ma. So first of all, we can horizontally we can add ma, no problem. If you are feeling difficulty in horizontal way ma, write down vertical ma. While writing vertical ma, we should remember one thing ma, points all should be in same line ma. Okay, na? If you are having command and horizontal ma, you can move on horizontal ma. If you are feeling difficulty ma, then we should move right as a vertical ma, vertical ma. While writing vertical ma, one thing we should want, all the points should be in same line, same line. Okay, now 0.0083. One more is 0.7. All the points should be in same line. Though that was only the basic thing we had to remember. Now by doing the addition, 3, 8, 9, 7 plus 8 ma 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 ma 3, 4. So answer is 43.5983. Okay, na? So only thing, if you are comfortable horizontal, do a horizontal. If you are doing the vertical, the keep in your mind, all the points should be in same line. Right, ma? There is my addition, fraction. Now, subtraction also same logic, there is no changes. Multiplications, especially in multiplications, some people feel the difficulty in multiplication while point numbers, normal numbers they can multiply, but when are point numbers they feel difficulty. So when are point numbers are there, for example 0.2 into 0.03, if you wanted to multiply this, if you are feeling difficulty, first of all remove the points, remove the points, put the normal number 2, normal number 3, multiply 2 3 how much 6, chalo write down 6. Okay, now count decimal, that means point is after how many numbers there in the very question mark. Here after two numbers, hereafter one number, totally after three numbers, totally after three numbers, we should put the point after three numbers, only one number, write down two zeros, 0 point. So what is the answer, 0.006. If you are feeling difficulty, first remove the points, multiply normal, and put the point as it is for the question, as it is from the question. Okay, we'll see one more. 2.8 into 2 is there. Here no point, here only point is there. First of all remove the point, 28 into 2, how much 56. Here nothing point, here only after one number, so put the point after one number. So what is the answer? 5.6. Answer is 5.6. 5.6. We'll see one more. 0.2 into 0.02 into 0.002. Now first of all remove all the points, by removing all the points, what will be as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Chalo write down 8. I'm ready directly 8. Count in your question, the point is after how many numbers? 3 2 1. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. We should put the point after 6 numbers, after 6. So only one number 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5, one more 0. So answer is 0.00008. Is it clear, ma? Now in this decimals only, whenever we are multiplying with 10, 100 such kind, 10, 100 such kind, in case 0.004 into, if you are multiplying with 10, whenever we are multiplying with 10, 100, 1000 such kind, here how many zeros are there, that many places point moves right side, right side. How many zeros, that many places point moves right side. How many zeros, only one zero, so one place moves right side, this will comes here. So what is the answer, 0.04. Point moves this place, point moves this place, 0.04. I will show one more. 528.92 into 10. How many is 10? 10. Point moves one place right, one place right, one place right. So what will happen to your answer, 5289.2. 5289.2. How many zeros are there, that many places moves right side, right side. Okay, it is multiplication in decimals operation, in decimals. Okay, now divisions, while doing the divisions in decimal numbers, decimal numbers. For example 0.4 divide by 0.2, very basic example, very basic. 0.4 divide by 0.2, while doing the division, one thing we should observe, after point how many numbers are there? After point one number, here also one number, one, both are number of terms are one only, so here also one, here also one number. That's why we can cancel the point, we can cancel the point. But the balance, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 nothing but what is the answer, 2. After the point, if number of terms are equal, then cancel the point. Okay, now we'll see one more example. 0.45 divide by 0.9. 0.45 divide by 0.9. Shall we see what will happen? So 0.45 divide by 0.9. Okay, now after point, how many numbers? 1. Here, 2. Number of terms are not same, not same. So we can't cancel the point. We can't cancel. If you want to cancel the point, first of all, make the number of terms equal. To equal purpose, wherever less, there we should write zeros. There we should write zeros. Whatever, based on your requirement. Here 2, here only 1. So by writing 1 0, 1 0 becomes equal. Becomes equal. When becomes equal, we can cancel the point. Okay, now cancel. 45 by 90. That means 45 1, 45 2. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. 1 by 2, nothing but half. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. Okay, now. Okay, now. First of all, observe after point number of terms. Is it equal or not? If it is equal, cancel the point. If not equal, make the equal. Okay, we'll see. One more. One more. Division with 10 especially whenever division with 10, 100, 1000 in multiplication I said point moves right side. In division point moves left side. How many zeros that many places moves left side. How many zero 1 0. So one place moves left side, it becomes here here. That means what is the answer 0.002. We'll see one more. 249.83 divided by 100. How many zeros, Bart? Two zeros. Two places moves left side. Left side. 1, 2. That means what is the answer, ma? 2.4983. 2.4983. Multiplication point moves right side, division point moves left side. That is the thing we should remember. Okay, now in divisions when normals, whenever in this way whenever we are multiplying 10 hundreds, division with 10 hundreds, sometimes we will get such kind we will get in this way 0.2 into 0.04 into 0.012 by 0.0002 into 0.06 into 0.003. We'll guess this kind whenever this kind some people will get the confusion and some people will feel difficulty whenever this kind first of all in numerator observe after how many terms point is there. Here 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Here point is after 6 numbers. In observe denominator 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9 numbers. In numerator point is after 6 numbers. In denominator point is after 9 numbers. So we can't cancel the point. To make the cancel we should write the zeros. Where we should write the zeros in numerator, because they're only less. So we should write to make the equal we should write 3 zeros. 3 zeros your wish you can write anywhere. You can write beside of last number, beside of second number, beside of first number, or otherwise 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here. Your wish anyway. Or if you don't want to write anywhere finally at the end write down 1000. If you wanted to write 3 zeros write down 1000. If you wanted to write 2 zeros write down 100 based on your requirement. By writing in such a way all the points will get cancelled. All the points will get cancelled. Now shall we see all the points will get cancelled. What will be answer? 2 into 4 into 12 into 1000 by 2 into 6 into 3. Make him, it is finish one normal way. Cancel your wish. 2 gets cancelled. Still what can cancel? 3 fours, 2 twos, 2 threes. Now, what is your answer? 2 fours are 8,000 by 3. That is the answer. 8,000 by 3. Is it clear? First of all, make the number of terms equal after the point. If they're equal, remove the point. If not equal, make them equal. Wherever requirement, there we should write the zeros. Is it clear? These are the things we have to know in decimals. Now, first of all, try this first, second, third, fourth. First of all, try these 4 examples. Try these 4 examples. Try that 4 examples. Right, ma. Now, shall we see now one by one, ma? First one, if you are feeling ma horizontal way difficulty, write down ma vertical way. If you are comfortable, no problem, ma. No problem. Okay, na? Now, 999.99. Next one is ma 99.99. Next one ma 9.099. Okay, na? First of all the points should be in same line. 999.99, 99.99, 9.099. Now add ma 9, 9, 9, 9, 27, 27. Two balance ma 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2 ma 20, 2, 27 plus 2 ma 29, 2. 18 plus 2 ma 22, 9 plus 2 ma 11, 1109.079, 1109.079 ma. Right ma, is it clear ma? Right ma, some people are giving ma same answer ma. Right ma, is it clear? Now we are moving to next ma. Next, 341.42 minus 13.829 is equal to question mark minus 62 points. First of all, subtract this one, then we should add for that one. We should add for that one. So 341 341.42 minus 13.829. 13.829 ma. Here ma, while doing subtraction ma, nothing there means we can write as ma 0 ma, 0. Okay na? Now, what will happen ma? 10 by taking borrow ma 10, 10 minus 9 ma 1, 1 ma 11 minus 2 ma 9, 1 ma 11 minus 8 ma 3, 0, 10 minus 3 ma 7, 3 minus 1, 2, 3. For this, minus 62.86 ma bring to this side ma becomes positive, that means plus ma 62.86. Addition ma 1, 15, 1 carry, 9 plus 3 ma 12, 1 carry, 8 plus 2 ma 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 ma 9, 3. So what is the answer ma? 390.251. 390.251. Is it clear ma? Right ma? Now next ma. Next, 0.1 into 0.01 into 0.001. What I said ma in multiplication of decimals ma. First remove all the points. Normal multiplication ma. All are ones ma. 1 ones 1, 1 ones 1. Entirely answer is 1. Now we should put the point as from the question. Here 3 numbers. Here 2 numbers. Here 1 number. Overall we should the point 3 plus 2 plus 1 ma. 3 plus 2 plus 1. That means after 6 numbers ma. So 1 we should write how many zeros ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 point. 0.000001. That is the answer. Is it clear ma? 0 point. So 1 into 1 into 1, 1. We should put the point after 6 numbers. Is it clear ma? Now next one. 3 into 0.3 into 0.03 into 0.003 into 30. 30 ma. Now first of all, if you are feeling difficulty ma, first remove all the points ma. Remove all the points. What will happen ma? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s. 27 3s how much ma? 81. 81 into 30. 81 3s. How much ma? 81 3s ma? 243. But last row 0 is there ma. That's why 243 0. It is answer. But we have to put the point after how many numbers ma? Here nothing there. Here 3. Here 2. Here 1. Overall 6 terms. 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer ma? 0.002430. 0.002430. Is it clear ma? First what I said, what I did ma, normal numbers. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is but 243 0. But we should put the point after 3, after 2, after 1. Overall 6 terms. Right? Ma? Now once try this one, these questions. Once try this ma, 4 questions ma. Try these 4 questions. 0.0000001 one answer, and one more person is saying 25 is answer. Twenty-five. Right ma? We'll see one by one. First one ma, 1 by 0.04. 1 by 0.04. 1 by 0.04 ma. Now here ma, point is after two numbers. Here nothing point ma. If you want to remove the point, here nothing there ma. So we should write how many zeros ma? Two zeros in numerator ma. So by what will happen ma? 100 by 4. 4 ones, 4, 25. First question answer is ma 25 ma. First question answer is ma 25. Right ma? Next ma. We are moving to next question ma. Next question is 144 by 0.144 is equals to 14.4 by question mark. We can get the answer by so many ways, but not only single, but so many ways. Now, for 14.4 is exactly 10 times. For 14.4 is exactly 10 times. Otherwise, if you remove the point here, you will get the 10. 144, 144 gets cancelled. Question mark take to this side. Mark question mark is equals to 0.144 by 10. We are dividing with 10 ma. Whenever dividing with 10 ma, point moves ma left side, left side. 1 0, so one place moves left side, one place moves left side. That means what is your answer ma? 0.0144. 0.0144. We are dividing with 10 ma, point moves ma, one place left side ma, 0.0144. Is it clear ma? Now we are moving to next example ma. 40.04 by 0.4 equal question mark into 0.05. Shall we see now what will happen ma? 40.04 divide by 0.4 is equals to question mark into 0.05. Here also we can get the answer by so many ways ma. after point one number, after point two numbers, after point one, after point two numbers. So by making our comfortable way, ma. So by writing 10, point will get cancelled, ma. That means what will happen is 4004 by 40. Point gets cancelled is equals to question mark into this one. If you remove the point, how can write, ma? 5 after point two numbers, so 5 by 100, ma. 5 by 100, ma. Okay, na? Now our wish we can cancel anyway, ma. Now by cancelling with, ma, 4 tens, 1001, 1001, ma. Now next, ma, dividing with 10, ma. Point will be after one number, ma, left side. What is the answer of this, ma? 100.1. 100.1 by cross, 100.1 into 100, 100.1 into 100, two zeros. Point moves two places, ma, right side. So what will happen, ma? Question mark is equals to 10010 by 5. 5 to 10, 0 as it is. At a time you are taking two times, so we should write, ma, 0 2. What is the answer, ma? 2002. Answer is, ma, 2002, ma, 2002. Okay, now clear, ma? Now next, ma, 3.6 into 0.48 into 2.50 by 0.12 into 0.09 into 0.5. First of all, count point is after how many numbers, ma? 2, 4, 5. In numerator, ma, point is after 5 terms. Denominator, observe, ma, denominator, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers. Same in numerator and denominator, ma, number of terms are same, 5, 5. So we can cancel the point easily. What is the number balance, ma? Numbers, write down normal numbers, ma. 36 into 48 into 250 by 12 into 9 into 5. Right, ma? In numerator and denominator, ma, number of terms are 5, 5, ma. So we can cancel the point. Now normal cancellation, ma, becomes normal number. So normal cancellation, ma. So how to cancel, ma? 12 fours, 9 fours, 5 ones, 5 50s. So what is the answer, ma? 50 into 4, 200. 200 into 4, ma, 800. So answer, ma, 800. Answer, ma, 800. Is it clear, ma? First of all, what I said, ma, in numerator and denominator, observe, ma, point is after number, after how many, ma. If same, we can cancel the point directly, we can approach, right, ma? Now next, ma. Up to now I said, ma, fractions base, ma, and as well as we saw decimals, ma. Okay, now next, ma. Now we are looking about, ma, squares, ma, squares, ma. First of all, 1 to 30, ma, we have to know squares, ma, perfectly, ma. Perfectly we have to know that, ma, 1 to 30, ma. First of all, read for 2 minutes, ma. Read for 2 minutes all the squares, ma. All the squares. If you know, ma, no problem. Otherwise, ma, just, ma, read for 2 minutes all the squares, ma, from 1 to 30, ma. 1 to 30. Right, ma? Now, first of all, ma, we have to know, ma, 1 to 30 squares, ma, compulsory, ma. If you know 30, ma, if you remember 30, ma, we can get, ma, further square series, ma. Minimum 125, ma, up to 125 is required for us, ma, while doing the calculations, ma, basic calculations, ma. Now, for example, ma, what is the 50 square value, ma? 5 square is 25, ma. 50 square, ma, 2500. 50 square ma 2000. Based on this ma, we can get ma 26 to 49, 51 to 75. Based on this ma. Okay, now if you know 50 square ma, 50 square 2500. Based on that ma, 26 to 49 we know, 51 to 75 we know ma. Shall we see ma how to find ma without the pen? You can give the answer ma. First of all, we have to know this ma. It is, these are the basic. We have to remember all this. If you remember, ma, we can give further squares, ma, orally only, ma. Shall we see now? For example, I want to find, ma, 51 square. 51 square, ma. First of all, 50 square is how much, ma? 2500. Chalo, write down 2500. Okay, na? 51 is how much more than 150, ma? 51 is how much more than 51 more. So write down 100 plus add 100. 100 plus 51 is how much more than 50 ma? 1 more than. So what is the 1 square ma? 1. So by adding all this ma, 2500 plus 100 ma, 2600 plus 1, 2601 is answer. 2601 is answer. Is it clear ma? How we are finding 51 square ma? First of all 50 square plus 51 is how much more than 50 ma? 1 more. So 100 plus 1 more na? 1 square of that ma? 1. So 2601 is the answer ma. 2601 ma. Now still first time I shown clearly ma. Now always we should take my beginning 25. If one more then 100, one more 1 square. Okay now 52 square. 52 square ma. Now I am saying my oral. First of all 50 square ma 2500. Nothing but 25. How much more? 2 more. So 25 plus 2 how much ma? 27. What is the 2 square ma? 4. When a single digit ma write down 04. So answer is ma 2704. That is the answer. 52 square ma 2704. 2704. Okay na? Now if in case I want 53 ma. Now oral, we are doing my oral 53. First of all, what we should take ma 25. How much more? 3 more. 25 plus 3, how much ma? 28. Chalo, write down 28. 3 square, how much ma? 9. Single digit, write down 09. So what is the answer ma? 2809. If I take my 54. 54 ma. First of all, what we should take ma? 25. How much more? 4 more. 25 plus 4, how much ma? 29. 4 square, how much ma? 16. If two digit number ma, write down directly, no problem. When single digit number ma 09, when two digit number ma directly approach ma. So what is the answer ma? 2916, 2916. In case I want ma 62 square. Okay now. In case if I want 61. First of all, what I said ma, take 25. Take 25. 62 is how much more than 50 ma? 12 more. So 25 plus 12. How much for 25 plus 12 ma? 37. 37. But 12 more na? 12 more means what is the 12 square ma? 144. 144 ma. Single digit means ma 0 and that number. Double digit means directly ma. When 12 square 12 square ma 144, there is a 3 digit number ma. So that will becomes carry ma. Carry. How the carry means 144 in this way. Nothing but 4, 4, 8, 3. So what is the answer ma? 3844. 3844. Is it clear ma? Okay na? When 3 digit number ma, take the carry ma. That will become up to 75 ma. Same logic. Same logic. Now come to this side, ma. If in case 26 to 49, ma. If in case I'm rubbing this one, I'm showing this one. Okay, now 26 to 49, ma. Now I'm taking my 49 square. How to take the 49 square? First of all, shall we see now? First of all, 2500, ma. Okay, na 50 square, ma, 25, ma. 49 is how much less than 50, ma? 1 less, 1 less. So subtract 100, subtract 100. Here plus only, here only minus, here plus only. Okay, na? 49 is how much lesser than 50, ma? 1 less. So what is the 1 square of that, ma? 1. So answer is 2500 minus 100, ma. 2400 plus 1. So what is the answer, ma? 2401. 2401. 2401. Okay, na? If I want 48 square, ma. Now I am doing directly, ma. First of all, take the 25. 2 less, subtract the 2. 25 minus 2. 25 minus 2, how much, ma? 23. 2 less, na? What is the 2 square, ma? 4. Single digit, ma? Write down 04. Answer is, ma, 2304. 23. If I want 47, ma. Okay, na? First of all, what should do, ma? 25. 47 means how much less, ma? 3 less. 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3, how much, ma? 22. Chalo, write down 22. 3 square. Single digit, so 09. 09. 09. Is it clear, ma? If in case I want 34 square, ma, in case. First of all, observe. First of all, what I said, ma? 25. Chalo, take the 25. 34, ma. How much lesser than 50, ma? 16 less. How much less, ma? 16 less. So subtract the 16. 25 minus 16, how much, ma? 9. Okay, na? Now we should take 16 square, ma. What is the 16 square, ma? 256. That is, ma, 3 digit number. 3 digit number. 256. So what is the answer, ma? 6, 5, 11. 1156, ma. 1156. 1156 is the answer, ma. 1156 is the answer. Is it clear, ma? Now that means if you know 30 perfectly, ma, if you know 30 perfectly, up to 75 is easy, ma. Up to 75, ma, just, ma, remember the logic, ma. Remember the logic, but directly you can give the answer. If in case I want 54 square, how to get the 54 square, ma? 25 plus 4, 29, 4 square, ma, 16. So 2916. If I want 58 square, ma, 58 square, how to get the 58, ma? 25 plus 8, ma, 33, 8 square, ma, 64. So double 364. If I want 59 square, ma, 25 plus 9, ma, 34, 9 square, ma, 81, 3481, ma. If you move back, ma, if you come back, ma, if I want 43 square, ma, 43 square, how can we give the answer, ma? 25 minus 7. 25 minus 7, how much, ma? 18. 7 square, ma, 49, ma. So what is the answer, ma? 1849, ma. That is the way to give the answer. Right, ma? Now up to 2075, ma, how to approach I shown, ma. Up to 75, how to approach I shown. Okay, now. Now we are moving further, ma. Further. If in case, ma, 76 to 99, ma, 101. How to approach? Here simple shortcut, ma. In case you want 101 square, ma. You want 101 square. Simple logic, ma. So many methods are there, ma. So many methods, ma. No, 101 square, ma. 101, chalo, write down. 101 is how much more than the 100, ma? One more, one more. So add the one. Simple logic, add the one. 101 plus 1, how much, ma? 102. What is the 1 square, ma? 1. Single digit, so 0, 1. So what is the answer, ma? 10201. Answer is, ma, 10201 is the answer. If in case I want 102 square, in case 102 is how much more than 100, ma? 2 more, na? So add the 2 for that. 102 plus 2. 102 plus 2, how much, ma? 104. What is the 2 square, ma? 4. Single digit, ma? So 0, 4. Answer, ma, 10404. If in case 103, ma, if in case I want 103, 103 square, ma, 103 is how much more, ma? 3 more than the 100. So 103 plus 3. 103 plus 3, how much, ma? 106. 3 square, ma, 9, nothing but 09. 09. If in case I want 108, 108, how to get the 108, ma? 108 plus 8. 108 plus 8, how much, ma? 116. 8 square, what is 8 square, ma? 64. 64. If in case I want 112, ma, 112, how to get, ma? 112 plus 12. 112 plus 12, how much, ma? 124. What is the 12 square, ma? 144. Carry, carry. So what is the answer, ma? 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. 12544. 12544. Is it clear, ma? Now, '76 to '99 you want, ma, how to approach. For example, if I want 99 square, ma, observe 99 is how much less than the 100, ma? 1 less. So subtract the 1, ma, subtract the 1. 99 minus 1, how much, ma? 98. What is the 1 square, ma? 1. Single digit, ma? 0, 1. 0, 1. If I want 98, ma, 98, how to get the 98, ma? 98 is how much lesser than the 100, ma? 2. So subtract the 2, ma. 98 minus 2. 98 minus 2, how much, ma? 96. What is the 2 square, ma? 4. Single digit, ma? 0, 4. Single digit, ma? 0, 4. We can proceed, ma, further. For this also, same logic is applicable. Is it clear, ma? How much less? Subtract that thing and take the square of that one. Single digit, before that 0 write down. Double digit as it is write down. If 3 digit number, ma, that will become for carry, ma. Carry. Okay, now. Now we are going to, now I shown, ma, how to find the squares. I shown, ma, if you know 30 squares, ma, if you know 30 squares, ma, up to 125, ma, we can say oral, ma. 125 is enough for you, ma. Okay, now up to 125 we can say orally, ma. Now we are looking, ma, square root. How to find the square root, ma? How to find the square root, ma? So before going to square root, ma, how to find the square, before going to that, ma, we have to know that, ma, we have to know that, ma, basically 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. This fundamental thing, ma, all the people will know. Now, other than this, ma, other than this, we have to know that, ma, 15 square. Here, ma, in squares, especially last digit is 5, ma. In squares, when the last digit is 5, then how to approach means, ma, you have a simple shortcut. For 1, what the next number, ma? 2. 1 into 2, how much, ma? 2. What the 5 square, ma? 20. It is a shortcut approach, ma. Not always, ma. Whenever last digit is 5, in that case, not always. Okay, no? If I want 25 square, ma, 2 next number, ma, 2 next number, what is the 2 next number, ma? 3. 2 into 3, how much, ma? 6. 5 square, ma? 25. Same logic is applicable, ma, whenever the last digit is 5. If in case I want 35 square, 3 next number, ma? 4. 3 fours are 12, 5 square 25, 45 square ma. 4 next number ma 5, 4 5s are 20, 25, 55 square ma. 5 next number ma 6, 5 6 are 30, 25, 65 square ma. 6 7s are 42, 25, 75 square ma. 75 square ma. 7 next number ma 8, 7 8s are 56, 25. Further we can continue up to 105, 105 we can take ma. Okay na? Whenever last is 5 ma, in that case always is a shortcut. Now we are looking ma under root 6084 ma. Zero eight four ma. Whenever you want to find ma under root 6084 ma, totally three steps ma, shortcut three steps ma. So first of all, you will beginning stage ma, you will take something time. By practicing ma, you can save the time ma. Okay. Now, first of all ma, break it after two numbers ma. How many numbers, that is not important for you. First of all, from your right hand side ma, from right hand side ma, break it after two numbers. 2 1 2. What is the last digit ma? 4. Observe ma, 4 as a last digit, in which squares we are getting. 4 as a last digit, in which squares we are getting. Observe from 1 to 10 only ma. 1 to 10 only. Okay. In 1 to 10 ma, in 1 to 10 ma, 4 is a last digit in which square ma? In 2 square there, as well as by in 8 square. In 2 square as well as 8 square. That's why in your answer ma, last digit be 2 or maybe 8. It may be anything ma. In your answer ma, last digit ma, maybe 2 or maybe 8, anything. Okay na? Now first step is finished. We are moving to second step. Observe this entire, 60 is nearby which square value? 60 is nearby which square value ma? What is the 60 ma, nearby square ma? 7 square how much ma? 49. 8 square means ma 64. So 8 was crossing. So we should take ma 7. So answer front digit ma 7. That means your answer may be 72 or maybe 78 ma. Maybe 72, maybe 78 ma. We don't know. Second step is finished. Now we are moving to third step ma. Third step is nothing but ma confirmation. Is it 72 or is it 78 ma? Just confirm. How to confirm means ma, whenever you are getting above 70 ma, we should observe 75 square. If you are getting above 60 ma, you are observe 65 square. If you are getting above 50 ma, 55 square. Now we got above 70 na, so observe 75 square ma. Just now I shown here also ma, 75 square. 7 8s are 56, 25. Compared to 56 ma, compared to 56, 60, this front part is more. Compared to 56 ma, it is more. That's why answer will be more than 75. More than 75 means what is the answer ma? 78. Answer is ma 78. That is my third step, nothing but confirmation. Is it clear ma? I said ma totally three steps ma, three steps. First step, break it after two terms. See the last digit, based on that decide. Second step, see the front part, nearby which square. Third step ma confirmation ma, that is nearby which one ma. Okay na? Third step ma confirmation ma. Now I'll show one more example ma. One more example. For example ma, in case I will show one more example ma. I want 280. What I said ma, make the break after two terms from right hand side. After two terms. 9 in which squares you will get ma? 3 square as well as ma 7 square. 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49 ma. So in your answer, last digit may be 3 or maybe 7. First step finish. Second step ma 28. 28 is nearby with square ma 5 square. 6 means crossing ma 36 ma 5 square. So answer front digit is 5. Your answer may be 53, maybe 57. Maybe anyone, we don't know. To get the confirmation, we should observe, we are getting above 50 now. So to get the confirmation, we should observe 55 square. What is the 55 square, ma? 55 square, 5 6 are 30, 3025. Compared to 30, it is lesser than. So answer is below 55. Below 55 means what is the answer, ma? 53. 53. Right, ma? Try these three, ma. Try these three questions, ma. Try that, ma. Three questions. Under root of 68889, under root of 15129, under root of 4225, ma. Try those three questions, ma. Try those three questions. Right, ma. 83, 123, 65, ma. Right, ma. So many people are giving ma answers, ma. 83. Right, ma. Break it after two terms. Break it after ma. Two terms, ma. 6, 8, 8, 9. So 9 is nothing but ma 3 square or 7 square. 68 ma nearby 8 square ma 64, maybe answer 83 or 87 ma. To get confirmation ma 85 square, 8 9 72. Below 8 9 85 80 square ma 8 9 72 ma. So your answer may be ma 83 or 87 ma, which is answer ma 83. 83 ma. Next ma. Next ma, 15129 ma, 15129. So break it after ma, two terms, 9 ma, 9 nothing but ma, 3 or 7 ma, 151 nothing but ma 12 square ma 144. So 123 or 127 ma. Get confirmation ma 125 12 13 ma 156. So below 156 ma. So what is the answer ma 123. Next ma 4225 ma 4225. 4225 ma. Break it after two terms ma. 5 is the last digit ma. 5 only. Whenever 5 is last digit ma, you will get the answer ma directly ma. Okay na? 42 nearby which square ma? 6 square ma. 6 square 36 ma. 7 will crosses ma. So what is the answer ma? 65. Answer is ma 65. Right ma. Now next ma. Now we saw ma squares as well as ma square root. Now we are moving to cubes ma. Cubes ma minimum 15. We have to know that ma. 1 cube 1 ma, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27 ma, 4 cube 64, up to 15 cube ma minimum compulsory ma. Just remember that ma. Okay, the minimum 15 is enough ma for you. 15 cube ma double 375 double 3 ma. If you know 15 cubes perfectly ma, then we can find the cube root also very easy. Now we are moving to cube root ma. How to find the cube root ma. Okay now. Now for example, cube the root of 79507 is there, ma? Cube the root of 79507. While finding the cube root, ma, in square root, ma, we broke after two terms. Cube root, break it after three terms, ma. Three terms, break it after three terms. One, two, three. Three terms. Observe 7 as a last digit in which cube? 7 as a last digit in which cube? Observe 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27 in 3 cube. Other than these 3, you can't get anywhere. Up to 10 only. We should observe up to 10 only. Okay, na? So only 3 cube 27. So last digit is 3. First step is finish. Now observe 79. 79 nearby which cube ma? Nearby which cube? 4 cube how much ma? 64. 5 cube 125. 5 crossing so 4. So what is the answer ma? 43. Answer is 43 ma. Compare to square root ma, cube root is very easier one ma. Compare to square root, cube root ma, within 2 steps we can close. Within 2 steps. I will say one more example ma. So break it after 3 terms. 4 as a last digit in which cube? 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. So 4 is the last digit in which cube? 4 cube. Chalo, write down 4. First step finish. Second step. Observe this entire part. 405 is nearby which cube? 405 nearby which cube? 405 nearby which cube? What is the 7 cube ma? 343. 8 cube ma? 512. 8 means crossing. So 7. So what is the answer ma? 74. 74. Right ma? Try this. Try this ma. Try these questions ma. First one 66. 66. 66. First one. So break it after 3 terms. 6 ma in 6 cube only. 287 nearby which cube? 6 cube. 6 cube is 216 ma. 7 cube crossing. So 66 right ma. Right ma. Is it correct ma? Right ma. 66. Next one ma. Do the next one. Do the next ma. First of all, break after three terms. Whatever the number of terms, break it after three terms. Break it after three terms. 122. Second one 122. Shall we check now whether it's right or wrong, ma? Right, ma, break it after three terms. 8 is the last digit in which cube, ma? 2 cube. 1815. 1815 is nothing but ma 12 cube. 12 cube, ma 1728. 13 means crossing, ma. So clear, ma. Right, ma. 122, right answer, ma. 122, right, ma. Next one, ma. 52 are saying 52, ma. Shall we check now whether it's right or wrong, ma? 52. First of all, break it after three terms. 8 is the last digit in which cube, ma? 2 cube. Chalo, write down 2. 140. 140 is nearby which cube, ma? 5 cube, ma. 6 cube, ma? 216 crossing, ma. So 5 cube, ma. So what is the answer, ma? 15. Right, ma? Now today, ma, we learn normal number. This we learn ma VBOD mass as well as ma fractions and decimal based square, square root, cubes, ma cube root, ma. Okay, na?